The amazing benefits of honey and garlic. Honey and garlic may seem like a simple combination, but together they create a powerful natural remedy that has been used for centuries. Both ingredients are packed with nutrients and healing properties that can help support your overall health. When combined, honey and garlic can strengthen the immune system, improve digestion, and help the body fight infections. Garlic contains powerful compounds such as allicin, which has strong antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. It helps reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve heart health. Honey, on the other hand, is rich in antioxidants and natural enzymes. It helps soothe the throat, boost energy, and support the body's natural healing process. When these two natural ingredients are combined, they form a mixture that can help protect the body from colds, flu, and many common illnesses. Method 1. Honey and crushed garlic. First, take about 3 to 5 cloves of fresh garlic. Peel them and crush, or finely chop them. Crushing the garlic helps release its active compounds. Then place the crushed garlic into a small bowl and add 1 tablespoon of pure honey. Mix them well together and let the mixture sit for about 10 minutes. To use it, eat the mixture once a day, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows your body to absorb the nutrients more effectively and helps boost your immune system. Method 2. Garlic-infused honey. Another simple method is to make garlic-infused honey. Take a small clean jar and add about 8 to 10 peeled garlic cloves. Then pour raw honey into the jar until the garlic is completely covered. Close the lid and let the mixture sit for 2 to 3 days, so the garlic can infuse into the honey. After that, you can take 1 teaspoon of the honey and 1 clove of garlic each day. This method is convenient and can be stored for several weeks. Tips for best results. For the best results, always use fresh garlic and natural raw honey. Consistency is important, so try to take the mixture regularly. Many people use this remedy to support their immune system, improve digestion, and maintain overall health. Although honey and garlic are natural ingredients, people with medical conditions or allergies should consult a healthcare professional before using them regularly. This simple natural remedy is easy to prepare and may provide many health benefits when used properly. Sometimes the most powerful health solutions come from the simplest ingredients found in nature.